Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock a Google Sheets tab in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so let's say you have this new project tab in this project management sheet. You want to make sure that nobody else edits this table and any other cell in this tab. So in that case, what you can do is lock this complete tab, and here's how to do it. So all you have to do is go to the data in the menu bar, click on that, and you're going to see protect sheets and ranges from this drop down. Select that one, and then you will see the protected sheets and ranges that have been already created. So protected sheets are basically locked sheets. So what you have to do is click on add a sheet or range, and instead of a range where you can select a table, multiple cells, or just one simple cell, what you have to do is select sheet here, and then you can select the specific tab or sheet you want to lock in your Google spreadsheet. So let's say in this example, this new project tab, and then we can add a description. So later we know what sheet we have locked. Then we have to click set permissions, and then you have multiple options. So if you want to lock Google Sheets tab, you have to select restrict who can edit this range. And we have this custom option where you can add editors. So in this case, this person would also have access to this spreadsheet. But what you can also do is select only you, in which case only you will be able to edit this Google Sheets tab, and no one else will be able to do that. So if you click on done, change is saved. As you can see, it has been added to the protected sheets and ranges section here, this new project sheet, and as you can see, it's now locked, so only you can edit it. So now this is how to lock a complete Google Sheets tab in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.